In today's video, I'll show you how to install trainer for Far Cry 4. Check my video description for this site link. Select the download now option. Select this three dot icon and go to downloads. Select this three dot icon and select download dangerous file and select download dangerous file again. And select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select pen drawer and select extract to. Password type trainer. Click on OK. Open the extracted folder, open the exe, select the yes option, and now you need to launch the game. After launching the game, the trainer music will be off. Once you are in game, as you can see, the ammo are less in starting of the game. To make it infinite, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the num lock in the numpad. Press the 1 key in the numpad, infinite health. Press 2 key in the numpad, infinite ammo. Press 3 key in the numpad, no reload. Once you turn on the cheats you like to use, just minimize this and get back to the game. As you can see, infinite ammo. As you can see, it's working. It's still 982 ammos left. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.